Hey, welcome guys. In this video, doing an unboxing of the Sony UBP-X700 4K HDR Blu-ray Media Player, which is kind of a mouthful. So yeah, here's we're gonna do the unboxing. If you want to see the review video, you can find a link to it in the video description. So switching over to the back, we have a lot of the features listed. It does support 4K HDR Blu-ray discs, supports upscaling, it handles 4K media player playback from services like Netflix and YouTube, so if the service does support that functionality, it will play it, as well as some supported file types at the bottom, and of course it does have Dolby Audio, DTS audio, all that jazz. So more details will be in the review video. So let's continue on with the unboxing for now. Okay, so let's get this out of here. Let's get the device out first. And I find it to be quite small compared to other 4K HDR Blu-ray media players I've reviewed so far. I mean, without looking at the specs, it just seems smaller. The USB port at the front no longer has that annoying flap at the front, which never made any sense to me. So some slight improvements made there so far by Sony compared to the, I believe it's the UBP-X700, which is larger and it has that really annoying USB flap, which made no sense to me. So I'm kind of glad Sony's made those slight improvements there over the previous model. Here's some documentation, some information on how to set it up, same information in French, end user license agreement, as well as this was product registration. Yeah, product registration information for Sony. And limited warranty, which is usually about standard 1 year. Yeah, 1 year. There you go. For Canada and US. There's probably a different type of version available for Europe and Asia, maybe South America, for example. And Australia. Can't forget them. Down under. So let's continue getting this stuff out. I mean, I know the remote's missing. The power adapter is missing. So usually they pack it right next to the media player. This time it's kind of at the bottom, which is different, but usually they kind of tuck it in with a padding really nice and tight. I'm not sure why they didn't do it this time, but it's fine. It's all good. So let's get the remote out first. And I'm kind of digging this. I'm liking this. I can reach most of the buttons with one hand. Small, compact remote. And the indentation at the back feels nice, feels natural to hold in the hands. So I'm kind of digging that design. And of course the power cord itself, which will provide more details about power consumption, the power cord length in the video review. Just standard brick. I'm not a fan of how it takes multiple ports up on a power bar, but whatever. So that's pretty much it. Be sure to check out the review video. The link will be in the video description. Be sure to check out my social links also in the video description. Hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.